guys, jumping straight into the video, let's get on to the hair. First of all, this wig is coming courtesy of BGMGirl Hair today. They sent me over this 26-inch straight hair wig, and what you saw was me just doing a little bit of an unboxing for you guys. But I did already take the wig out the box. I did pluck it and add some lace tint to it. I didn't bleach the knots because I'm all out of bleach, but it didn't really make it look, you know, horrible. Of course, it would have looked better if I bleached the knots, but I did what I could do, you know. So we're just gonna be installing this wig and doing our hair and our makeup. I realized it had been a bit of a while since I sat down and did my hair and makeup in like one whole video, so I wanted to do that today for you guys. And if you did see, I did pull out an oldie but goodie to lay down my wig today. I have to run to the beauty supply. I'm out of my powder to bleach my wigs. I'm out of my glue, but yeah, girl, I'm struggling. But today, like I said, I pulled out an oldie. I am using my Gorilla Snot gel to lay down my wig today. And if you have watched any of my hair tutorial videos where I use Gorilla Glue, you already know what's going on. We're going to use some Gorilla Snot, spray some Got2b glue gel, blow dry, and then repeat the process all over again. Pretty repetitive, so I'm just gonna let you guys go ahead and chill, relax, and watch. So stepping away from my hair really quick, I'm just going to do the beginning stages of my makeup, such as prep, prime, moisturize, all that good stuff. And I am going to be going a little bit fast since this isn't like a tutorial, just a little get ready with me. But of course, like always guys, if you want to know what I used on my face or if I don't mention a product in the actual video, be sure to check out the description box because I will have all hair details and all makeup details there. And while I'm here, let me just say, don't forget to turn on my post notifications on YouTube so you can be notified every single time I post a video. I do have an updated skincare routine and an updated brow routine coming up, as well as some other videos I have planned for you guys. And I don't want you to miss not a one. So before you go, make sure to click that little bell by my name so you can be notified every single time you go post a video. And if I didn't mention it before, this hair is coming courtesy of BGMGirlHair today. And I have to say that I really liked the quality of this hair. It reminded me of the straight hair from Icy Hair, which is a company that I really enjoy. I love every single one of the products I've ever been sent from them. And it definitely reminded me of one of their wigs. So that was cool. But shout out to BGMGirlHair. This is a 26-inch 180% density Peruvian straight wig, and it is completely bomb straight out the box. I did pluck and I didn't bleach the knots. It would have looked even better if I bleached the knots, but I didn't. But it came pre-plucked. I plucked it a little bit behind what they did. The hair, no tangles, no shedding, none of that. It was super soft, super easy to manage, got super flat, and it was just so soft and nice and flowy. I loved it. What can I say? And if I've said it once, I've said it 1,000 times. I'm not a professional hairstylist. I don't do hair for a living. I'm just a regular girl who likes looking like a bad bee for the low. Okay? So, the baby hairs, of course, I'm not good at doing them. I say this all the time, y'all. I know you're sick of me saying it, but there's going to be that one person like, yeah, Maybelline Camo, blah, 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 blah. So, my baby hairs, not good at doing them, but I do them anyway because nobody's gonna beat me up if my baby hairs look crazy. Okay, it's just not gonna happen. So I do them anyway. But I did try to do that trick. If you guys saw that trend that's been going around where you kind of like curl the baby hair first, and it makes it a little bit easier, or so people say, it makes it a little bit easier to lay down, like for beginners or people like me who aren't very good at doing it. And I think it kind of helps a little bit. Like, I was still struggling, but I guess like not as much as I usually do. So I just curled that, added some not powder, that wasn't powder, that was it wasn't foundation either. Concealer, that's what it was. Added a little bit of concealer to that part, and I think she looks pretty bomb, you know? Tell me what y'all think. I would like to know. So I will be doing an eyeshadow look today since this is a full coverage, full glam look, and I just wanted to show off these beautiful palettes that I got from the drugstore the other day. They're literally so pretty, I couldn't pass them up, and they were like $4, like $4.50, I'm pretty sure. Of course it's a drugstore palette, so the colors weren't as bright and vivid on the actual eye, but it wasn't horrible. They were super blendable, weren't patchy, very buildable, and I think they were worth it. It was, like I said, it was only $4, so if you're looking for a cheap and pretty palette to practice on, or you're just looking for some new makeup to add to your collection, go ahead and hit up your local Walmart or Target and buy one of these Profusion eyeshadow palettes because it was so worth it. I just want to put you guys onto this hack that I found on TikTok that has literally changed the way my makeup application goes. It has changed the way it just changed my whole life. Okay, so I just take a little bit of my foundation, and I've been using the Maybelline Fit Me again because I forgot just how bomb it was for a drugstore foundation. Take a little bit of that on the back of my hand, mix it in with some Laura Mercier translucent powder. Yes, I mixed the foundation and my translucent powders together, and then I apply it to my face, and my base stays on all day. It's flawless. It literally looks amazing in person and in pictures, and I don't think I'll ever stop doing it now that I've started. Literally, trust me guys, if you want your makeup to look more full coverage for the low, do this and you will not be disappointed. And I am going to film an in-depth full coverage tutorial again soon, because I feel like the way that I always say it, but every time I update my routine, I just feel like it's way better than the last update. So I'm gonna update you guys on the update, because I feel like the routine that I've been using for the past couple weeks has been making my face look super snatched. Okay, like you guys will see at the end of this video. I don't know what it is, but my makeup has just been looking real bomb lately, and I just want to put you guys onto all the tea. Okay, period. And boom, just like that, that is the finished hair and makeup look. Of course, all details for the hair and makeup will be in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Of course, if you did enjoy, don't forget to go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video.